Your mixed girl named Cierra. You know how we do.
Mixed girl 95.7654298. Luscious. Hi guys, it's Cierra, and today I'm doing cooking with Cher. You feel me?
Cooking with black folks, you feel me?
Cooking with black folks. It's a vibe, you feel me?
Slam them motherfucking doors.
That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that you don't think.
I have my assistant.
Black Cierra, how you doing?
Yep, what she said. We're cooking this perfect size Dunkin' this. But we gonna need 1 egg. But I should have probably took out all the ingredients before starting this. Let me get a bowl. Where the bowl's at? Where the bowl's at? Where the bowl's at? Where the bowl's at? Ah! No music. No music.
You're still white. You're still white.
Shut up.
And it's all right.
Someone texted down. Why am I doing this in front of a shank? Put it in the dish rack.
Because I'm my
like,
shit. He's talking about you now.
why? Tell him stop. Who that?
How's school, Cierra?
None of your business. What? I didn't sneeze. Who the fuck is crying? Not my business. 1/4 ain't an option. That's 1/3. That's 1/4. But then that says 1 second.
No, it doesn't.
That says 1 second.
Right there, nigga.
But then this is 1/4.
Look at the big difference.
Yeah, but that don't make no sense. That don't make no logical sense. Because
I
then
don't know your math.
wouldn't 1/4 be under 1/3? Half is right here. Explain.
Half plus 1/2.
I don't care.
Listen.
I don't want to listen. I don't want to listen. Just let me feel it. Just let me feel it. Just let me feel it, nigga.
Yell at me again.
I ain't yell at you. I said just let me feel it.
This is yelling!
Oh, nothing good with that.
That's what yelling is. That's when you the prettiest. I hope that you don't take it wrong. I'm like that. 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, we just gonna have to estimate with the eyes. All right, so I put all the ingredients in, and I'm mixing it now. This shit like ass. Ooh, it's bloody. Did I put eggs in here? Yeah, I should have used egg replacement because I like eating the batter. Lindell, you feel me? Do you eat the batter or is that just me? That's why I be putting egg replacement back when I used to be on my vegan shit, which was some bullshit. And then my body is like kilo. There's colored butter chunks. It smells good. Smell it. My shit got blown to the maximum facility. Why are you looking at me like I'm crazy? Don't drag the rest of us down with you. It looks good. I didn't even preheat the oven. I'm preheating the oven. So what exactly? 300. Am I doing this right? Yeah, probably. Hopefully. Look at that bitch drip like water. So red on the camera. I'm in love with it. Wonder if it will make a good lipstick. Tell the next Kylie. Fuck you thought it was. I'm coming for her career.
She gonna come for your bank.
Don't she got one called Red Velvet too? She got one called Red Velvet. I know where she was inspired from then. Eating the batter and she was like, oh, you know what? It's good. Yeah, she ain't low. I hope the camera can't hear the music because I don't want to get copyrighted. Because then I'm going to lose on my bank. Yeah, feel me?
Parental discretion. I am cursing a lot. I'm sorry. Just eat it. Just eat it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
My favorite part, eating the batter. I already got a Kylie lip palette on right now. A lip kit. The velvet one. It's called Dazzle, I think. You know it?
I'm listening to you.
Oh. I
It's
got
like period on your lips. What's it like period on your lips? When you have to get eaten out in the dark, you wake up to the smell of iron and pennies.
Yo, that's how you trick a nigga.
Look at that, babe. You got some quarters. Why? Because I think there's some pennies down here.
This is about as good as And what the f are you doing, ma'am? That's why I can't work with nobody. Why we be lonely. Put this in the oven. Is the oven ready? No, but you know what? I don't give a fuck anyway. It'll be ready soon. Swipe. Get your little red hot Cheeto. No, my finger ain't red. What you talking about? We'll be back when.
I'm fat. Sure. I'm black.
We'll be back when our cake is actually fatter and blacker.
Black? Nigga, it's red.
Darker. How's that?
When the cake has risen, bitch. This is real chef work.
So actually we're not done because I forgot about the icing. So we're back on. And once again, I'm not measuring tablespoons because I don't have tablespoons. I do, but I don't feel like looking for them. Oh, there's kids. Don't die. 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Oh, the other one's supposed to be softened too. Oh well. Teaspoon of water. Well, I'm not counting that either. Just yes. That looks good. Put the butter in the oven. I mean, microwave. Oh no, that's way too long, Sierra. You're tweaking. So, how's your day? Have a little, you know, one-to-one conversation time. How you been? I don't care. I actually did that one time. Someone left a comment. They were like, that's so mean. How is she gonna ask, like, how are you? And then say, I don't care. She's a fucking bitch.
And I would have been like, and you're a crybaby. I'm gonna tell your mother.
It said softened, not burnt. I put in, ooh, it smells good. It smells like icing already.
Oh my god, yo.
Why you cutting my aloe?
I feel like this is dripping puss.
Ugh, powder smells stank. Ugh. Smell like crushed animal bones. Gelatin. Where's a whip? A whip. Yeah, we're gonna whip it real good. I don't like the smell of the packet. Like, the butter itself smells really good. This is supposed to be cream cheese flavored. It's very yellow. I might have put too much butter.
Oh, you wanna be real? You gotta do it like this. Ew, this is so nasty. This ain't even a real whisk. What the fuck?
It's a whip.
It's a rubber whisk. What the fuck?
It's a whip, yeah.
It smells nasty.
Right? The pack, yo, the butter smelled like vanilla icing. But then when I put the packet in, oh, this shit.
Nasty, right?
It's stank.
We about to get on use a fork, y'all.
It's dripping.
Oh my goodness. This is what I do when I'm at home. I rip my bra off. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. These tank swang. I put on my booty shorts and I go to schwank. What y'all do when y'all come home from school?
Quit.
Damn sure ain't your fucking homework.
I don't even do my homework.
Don't even clean your fucking bros probably. Probably smell like gator bitch. Smell like depression and hell no. Clean your goddamn nose.
Like gerbil meat and wet napkins. Oh, I'm too fucking white. Put the attention somewhere else.
Ow, make me black. Why don't you?
I was going.
So the fuck was I? I'm black as heck. That's so much better.
You don't have to share it.
We gonna have to not.
I can see the light.
And I'm gonna back that ass up on the light. Nigga, my big ass was to do a whole solar eclipse. Move.
Oh, mixed with an electric mixer. A lot of my viewers are some young girls.
Starbucks. What type of Starbucks should I get as a black person? But this shit is fucking creamy as shit. Cream like this. Push.
I can hear the bells. The bells are ringing.
I've been stirring this goddamn thing for 10 minutes.
Where's the
fucking
thing?
wrist hurt. Oh, you bougie, bruh. You little salt thing. You gotta slide out. I don't even got a fucking pantry.
What the fuck?
Dumb husky knife for no fucking reason.
No, someone put the wrong fucking thing on it.
Check out, bitches.
They're colored. So I'm pretty sure it's time to take the cake out. Probably way past time. Everyone's being noisy.
Listen, we really need a lot of lettuce. It's not good for you to eat that every day. How about I buy some chicken? Can we eat chicken cutlets?
Yeah, chicken cutlets.
What is that?
None of your business.
Get your little nosy pine out of here. I'm gonna wait till this cools down. Then I'm gonna put on this bag of icing I made with chunks because I don't know how to make shit. All right, y'all, it's time. All right, come look at this. Okay. Ooh. Cierra. On top of here. It's dissolving inside. Interesting. Ooh, bitch. Oh, top chef.
What you know about me?
Yeah, get that chunk out of here. Get this little chunky bitch off me. They pissing me off. It's finished. I showed you guys. Hopefully, it's as good as it looks. Well, it doesn't look good, but it's at least hopefully it's as good as it smells.
We'll try, nigga.
We tried. So
Kick my boyfriend away.
come on. Get some of this lovely looking
Oh, you saw how it
icing.
was just like. It's moist, ain't it?
Oh, we have to wait. Cheers. I mean,
For what it's worth, the cake is good.
that's exactly
The face,
the
the
cake.
sauce is just.
The cake is good. The sauce is saucy.
Nigga, it looks like cum. I'm sorry, I can't. I can't lie to your viewers. Look,
The sauce just got that aftertaste type thing.
it looks like cum. Banger.
The sauce is just blowing my stuff. You always gotta take a shit.
God, you feed me some bullshit.
I'm not. What would you give it? Like
5. Which is just to eat 5. It's not even an even number. It's just a 5. It looks pretty.
presentation, I would give it
A 4.
a 7.
A 4?
A 7.
A 4?
A 7.
Bitch, you ain't nothing but just spread this shit around. This is a 4. You ain't make this shit have a smiley face.
Fine, a 5.
A 4.
A 5.
4.
5.
0.5. 4.5.
Alright, 7.5.
I don't know who you be working for, but I think you get your life even work.
Alright, 4.5. Taste wise,
The consistency is thick and moist.
I give it like a 5.5.
5.6. Cause moist.
It's so good. The cake is so good and it's moist and it's nice. Like everything's good about it, but the icing
Just bucks it up.
is fucking awful.
I'm telling you, it's like
It tastes like booty cheeks and sweat.
It tastes like, oh hell no. And what the fuck? It tastes like Jesus and the devil is fighting in the fucking sky, bro.
It tastes like,
Once again, it tastes like gator dick.
it's pretty good, I guess. We're tearing it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. We're classy bitches. Or at least we try to look like it.